Welcome to my channel Art by SH. Alright, my beautiful friends, so we are going to make this big beautiful drawing using marker, and we also going to use all different kinds of lines. They can be zigzag, they can be curvy, they can be dashed line or dotted line. You get to choose, but I want you to make this line that go all the way across to your paper from one side to the other. You can choose what kind of line you want to make. All different lines. You can make zigzag, straight lines, dotted lines and dashed line, curvy lines. This line is made all out of dots. You can choose what you want, but try they should go from one side all the way to the other. Same like this, you can draw the curves line, semi-curves line. Then my friends, you can add some shapes. So you can draw the circle as I am adding. So here you can see I am adding some circles, and now I am adding some triangle under my zigzag line. So in this way you can get the flow in your lines. So it's a line practice. I will make some ovals in here. Look at my friends, my designs are repeating it. It's making a pattern because my shapes repeating over and over again. My friend, next things you get to do is you get to color your shapes. You can pick whatever color you want for your shape. I'm going to color this one blue. Look how I'm taking my time and coloring inside those lines, and I'm going to make this one blue, and I will make a pattern. It goes blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. You can do ahead and you can color in all of your shapes according to your choice. Carefully colors all those shapes. Take your times and make sure you are staying inside those lines you drew. Color in all those shapes properly. Friends, keep going on till you will get them all done. Please press the bell button and subscribe my channel.